step your ass up. What you wanna do? And get your ass knocked down. What you wanna do? Get ready.
Guys, it's been about the same thing for us the entire year. It's been about us becoming the best team we can be. Tonight is not about the past, and it's not about the future. It's about right now. And you guys have got to want this night to last forever. You got to want to run and fight and defend all night long. You got to live in the moment and understand there's going to be adversity and there's going to be challenges. That is what's brought us close together as a team, has been the adversity and the challenge. Live in the moment, cherish each moment, and go out there and play as a team.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
When we step on the floor, every second that clock is ticking, we are pedal to the metal. We run the ball, we pressure the ball, and most importantly, we control the tempo of the game.
Show